Welcome to our garage makeover series.
Today, we will show you how to prepare for installing garage floor tiles. Vivi, could you give me some suggestions about the preparation for installing garage floor tiles?
Sure, I will introduce the preparation one by one. Step 1. Clean your garage. First, you should prepare some cleaning tools like a broom or vacuum cleaner to clean your garage to make sure there is no dust on your garage floor. If there are some stubborn stains on your floor, you can also use chemicals and use the high pressure water to clean your floor. Step 2. Waiting your garage floor dry. You should make sure the floor is dry. If you use some cleaners or chemicals to clean the floor, you should wait the floor completely dry. This needs some time to waiting. Step 3. Check the floor conditions. You should check the floor conditions before installing the floors. If you find some cracks or uneven spots on the floor, you should use the concrete filters to repair the floor to make sure the floor have smooth surface.
Thanks for Vivi's suggestions. Now your garage floor is ready. In the next video, we will show you how to install the garage floor tiles.
Following solutions. Find the Vivi